Good day, I am Ella Jane B. ASUNCION and my partner is NJ TASOY. So we are assigned to know the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence. So this video discussion consists the definition of arithmetic, knowing how to get the next term, and knowing what are the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence. So what is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence is where the constant d is added to get the next term. So constant d is the common differences of each of the arithmetic sequence. So let's have an example. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So this is our example. So in this example, we need to know our first term and the constant d, and lastly, we need to know how to get the next term of the 11. So what is our first term? So our first term is this. Kasi ayun yung nasa unahan. So kapag true naman, that is called the second term or the a sub 2. So how are we going to know naman how to get the common differences or the constant d? So in able to get the constant d, we need to know how much number are needed to add in able to come up with the next term or in able to get the next term. So in able to get the next term, 1 is added to 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Hanggang sa dulo na, you need to add 2. So our common differences is 2. Or the constant d is 2. So next, how are we going to know what is the next term of the 11? So in able to know the next term of the 11, we need to add the constant d, which is 2. So 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. So our next term is 13. So now let us all know what is the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence that will be discussed by Ms. TASOY.
So hi, in order to get the first 5 terms of the sequence, we are going to use this formula.
Okay, so lahat ng n kanina, i-substitute natin yung 1, which is kasi kukunin natin yung first term. So, substitute natin yung 1 dito sa f. So, ang magiging kalalabasan is a1, a sub 1 is equal to 1. Kasi n to kanina, di ba? 1 times 2, n plus 1 divided by 2. So, kapag kinumpute natin siya, ang lalabas is a sub 1 is equal to 1.5. So, ayun yung first term ng sequence. Okay, so to have more examples, mag-solve tayo ngayon for second term naman. So, a sub 2 is equal to 2. Kasi n to, diba? So, sa-substitute naman natin siya for 2. Then, 2, tapos, multiply by 2. Kasi n din to kanina eh. Plus 1. Divided by 2. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon, unahin natin is 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Tapos, plus 1. Divided by 2. Then, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So, magiging ganyan siya, 5 divided by 2. Then, 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Tapos, ito na lang yung titirang step. I-divide natin siya sa 2. 2. So, ang magiging sagot niya is 2 divided by 10 is equal to 5. So, ang ating a sub 2 is 5. Okay, so a sub 3 naman tayo. Ganun din yung gagawin natin. Substitute natin itong 3 times 2 times 3. Substitute by 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Yung 2, ito yung common difference niya. So, next step is 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3, 6 times 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 divided by 2. Okay. So, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So, 3 times 7 is equal to 21. Then, divided by natin sa common difference, which is 2. So, ang magiging A sub 3 natin is, kapag kinompute natin siya ito sa scientific calculator, is 10.5. Or, kung i-round off naman natin, pwede siya maging 11. So, ito ang A sub 3 natin. Ayun yung third sequence. Ayun yung third term of sequence.
And this is the solution of the first 5 terms of this sequence. So that's all. I hope you learned something from us. Thank you for listening.